Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. So, in today's lecture, we'll be seeing the hands-on demonstration about a lecture that is related to GIS. In this GIS, we'll be studying about how to do the georeferencing of a topo sheet. Okay, so to locate any position in the topo sheet, we should first of all do a georeferencing. So for that, I have taken a topo sheet here. So in this folder I have a topo sheet, okay, which has to be georeferenced. So for that I will be making the use of this QGIS software. So for georeferencing, first of all we should understand what is georeferencing. Georeferencing is a technique wherein we provide the latitude and longitude for the topo sheet. So it can be done for any map as well. If you provide any longitude, latitude for that particular map, especially for topo sheets in this circumstance, so that we call it as the process is known as georeferencing. So this was the simple definition of what georeferencing means. So we'll be seeing how to perform this task. So to georeference a topo sheet, so I have to go on layers. So click on this icon, that is georeferencer. Okay, so a separate window will be opening. So here in the corner I'm having one button. If I keep my cursor there, it will be showing me the meaning, what is the use of that particular icon. So you can see as I've kept the cursor here, it is showing open raster. So I'll click on this one. So it will take me to the topo sheet where which I want to georeference. So I will click on this one, click on open. So you can see the topo sheet has been opened up here, okay, in this particular window. So I want to georeference it. So for that I have to go to this particular point here, and I have to show what is the particular longitude and latitude at this particular place, that is this point where I'm keeping my cursor. So for that reason I will click on this icon, which is nothing but add GCP point. GCP full form is nothing but the ground control points. This point that is on the topo sheet where the latitude and longitude of that particular area, that means the GCP point. Okay, so I know the longitude and latitude at this particular place. Latitude is 17 degree 0 seconds 0 minutes, and longitude is 75 degree 0 minutes. So for adding this longitude and latitude at this particular place, I will click on this button, that is add GCP points. Then I will zoom it a bit. So at the intersection of these two lines, I will click here. You can see it is asking me the longitude and latitude at this position. Okay, so east means longitude and north means latitude. Okay, so for east I will be entering the value, that is 75 degree space 0 minute is there. So I will enter here after space 0. Okay, so this is nothing but my longitude, which is according to the eastern direction. In the north I will be clicking in this tab here. Then it is asking me latitude, which is nothing but at this point it is 17 degree 0 minutes. So I will click here. I will type 17 degree space 0 minute. Here we have to keep in mind that this setting, okay, it is asking me the WGS. Okay, what is the World Geodetic System at this particular place? So it would be better if you take this, select this one, that is EPSG 4326. It is a default one, so that will be covering up the entire world. Okay, so if you want to know some specific place, if you are sure about that particular place where your topo sheet is lying, then you can change it. Otherwise, keep it EPGS 4326, WGS 84. So once you are done with this one, entering the coordinates, click on OK. Okay, so you can see it has become red. I will go to this next corner here, and I will zoom in a bit like I've done for the previous one. I will click at the center line where the two points are lines are meeting. Click here. I will come out so that I can see these coordinates properly. East is nothing but longitude, 75 space 15, what they given here, and north it is 17 degree 0 minutes. I will enter that in this corner here or in this tab. It is 17 degree 0 minutes. Okay, so once you select this one, it will be automatic. So it will be better if you keep on checking how many times you are entering the coordinates. It should be 4326. Okay, so I'm done with that one. I will click on OK. Yes. So two corners, longitude, latitude I have entered. So after that I will be going for the next corner, that is the third point. I will go at the intersection points of two lines. I will click there. It is asking me what is the longitude and latitude there. So I will zoom out. Then I will enter the longitude. It is 75 space 15 and latitude is 16 space 45. Coordinates, you check it 4326, click on OK. Yeah. So after that, zoom to the next point here, this fourth corner. I will click at the center. I will zoom out so that I am able to see the coordinates here. East is nothing but longitude, it is 75 space 0 minutes. North is nothing but your latitude, it is 16 space 45. Check the coordinate system 4326, it is right. Click on OK. So you are done with this one. So you have to keep in mind whenever you are georeferencing, it will be showing you a table below like this. Your residual. Okay, so your residual should be minimum. It can be okay if you are going to 4, 4, 1, it's fine. Okay, so if it goes in more than 10, like 100, 90 and all, you will be having error while doing your georeferencer. So this should be taken into consideration. Okay, it should be given for this checking this table. So I'm done with this one. So I will save my GCP points. Okay, those are nothing but a ground control points. I have to save it. So I'll click on this button, save GCP points. You can see the address of that particular button is given. So I will click on this one. Just GCP points file. Okay, I will click on save. Okay, that I'm done. So after that, I have to click on transformation setting. So once I click on the transformation setting, this window, this tab will open. Okay, so transformation type should be linear. CRS target should be same what you're given for those, and while entering the locations 4326 WGS84 should be there. So resampling method should be nearest neighbor itself, and the output of this particular topo sheet has to be saved. So you have to give the path where you want to save it actually. So I will go here, instead of modified, I will write here the name georeferenced. Georeferenced. Okay, so that it is easy for me to understand this topo sheet is georeferenced. Okay, I will click on save. So the path has been given. Resampling method should be selected at nearest neighbor itself. So okay, no need to change anything here. Let the other things be as they are. So here you have to keep in mind that these two boxes should be checked. Okay, save GCP points and load in project when done. Okay, so if you have entered this much, everything is fine, it's more than enough, you can click on OK. So once done with that one, you have to click on this play button, that is nothing but start georeferencing button it is. So click on this one, you can see the process will start here. The process will start. So it has given me the message that georeference successfully. So I'll close this tab. You can see the topo sheet has come here. Okay, so wherever I'm keeping this particular cursor, you can see it is changing the latitude and longitude. So it shows that this particular topo sheet is georeferenced. Okay, so to check whether it has been properly georeferenced or no, so I will open an background map of open street maps. So for that I will click on web, go for this quick map services, which is nothing but a plugin. Click here, OSM standards. You should have an internet connection for this one. So uh, You can see it is properly georeferenced. So to check this one, I will just reduce the transparency here. Click on this, double click, go to transparency. I will keep it to just 50 or something of that sort, so that topo sheet becomes transparent. Apply. Okay, so you can see the road from here, that is the OSM map. What is coming, it is connecting to the road which is present in our particular topo sheet. Okay, same with the river. You can see here the river or the border, you can call it as the border of the taluk or the district, so that is even connecting the OSM border. Okay, so you can check various factors here, or features which are present here. You can see one more border which is coming from this, it is connecting the border which is present in the topo sheet. So it shows that this topo sheet has been correct georeferenced properly. So this was nothing but a simple video on how to georeference. Okay, so after this, the next video will be on digitization. Okay, so I will reduce the transparency. I will just make it normal. Okay, let's just keep it 100. Apply. Okay, so once you are done, its output will be saved in the folder where you have saved. So next time, whenever you want to open this topo sheet, no need to repeat the same process. Means again georeference it, because the topo sheet will be georeferenced and saved in that particular file name what you are given in the transformation setting tab. Okay, so this was all about georeferencing. Hope everyone understood. Thank you.